Flooding is one of the most common and costly disasters in the U.S., and businesses that plan ahead are more likely to recover quickly. While floods can't always be prevented, preparation is key to protecting your employees, assets, and operations. Know your flood risk. Understanding how flooding could impact your business allows you to take action before a storm. Use FEMA's Flood Map Service Center to check if your business is in a flood-prone area. Is your business near a river, creek, or coastal area? Have past floods impacted your location? Could local roads flood and prevent access to your building? If your business is in a flood risk zone, stock up on sandbags and other protective materials ahead of storm season. How to prepare your business before a flood event. Create an emergency contact list for employees, suppliers, and key clients. Establish a communication plan so employees know how to receive updates. Identify essential business functions and plan how to operate if your location becomes inaccessible. Back up important documents and business records off-site or on cloud storage. Develop an evacuation plan and clearly display exit routes. Conduct regular drills to ensure employees know what to do. Account for employees with special needs who may require extra assistance during evacuation. Have an emergency kit ready, including first aid supplies, flashlights, and batteries. Move valuable inventory, machinery, and electronics to higher ground. Secure hazardous materials to prevent contamination of floodwaters. Identify shut-off points for electricity, gas, and water, and train key staff on how to turn them off if needed. Review your flood insurance policy through the National Flood Insurance Program at floodsmart.gov to ensure you have adequate coverage. Keep copies of insurance documents, vendor contracts, and critical business records in a waterproof and fireproof container. Consider business interruption insurance to help cover lost revenue in case of prolonged closures. What to do during a flood? Stay informed. Monitor weather updates from the National Weather Service and sign up for local emergency alerts. Follow evacuation orders. If authorities recommend evacuating, do not wait. Leave immediately and take essential business documents with you. Turn off utilities. Shut off electricity, gas, and water if flooding is imminent and it is safe to do so. Never drive through floodwaters. Just 6 inches of moving water can knock a person off their feet, and 12 inches can sweep away a vehicle. What to do after a flood? After authorities confirm it is safe to return, business owners should document all damage with photos and videos before making repairs and contact their insurance provider to start the claims process. During cleanup, wear protective gear and remove wet items immediately to prevent mold. If floodwaters reached electrical outlets, wait for a professional inspection before restoring power. As operations resume, notify customers and suppliers of delays and explore financial assistance options. Finally, reviewing the flood response plan and making improvements will help strengthen future preparedness. Flood preparedness is a shared responsibility, and proactive steps today lead to a stronger recovery. Businesses that prepare in advance recover faster. Encourage your city leaders to invest in proactive flood solutions that reduce delays and keep operations running. Want more resources on flood preparedness? Visit our website to learn how emergency sandbag response helps businesses and communities stay ahead of the next storm.